need to have friends that are higher than you.
Qui ralo monter.
Who can pull you up.
Est-ce que vous entendez ça m'a dit hein?
You hear what I'm saying?
Ou besoin des amis qui pi haut passer.
You need to have friends that are higher than you.
Des pasteurs amis avec yo.
I have some pastor
C'est
friends.
pasteur qui haut passer.
There are some
Qui
pastors
a plus
higher than
d'expérience
me.
passée.
They have more
Qui a
experience
plus
than me.
succès passé.
They have more success.
Conseil de bagarre à parler m'pas comprendre.
Some things they're saying
Et
I don't
parce que m'pas
understand.
comprendre ça veut dire dans bonne classe.
And because I don't understand, I'm in the right place.
Ou besoin des amis qui pi haut passer.
You need to have friends higher than you.
Qui ralo monter.
Who pull you up.
Ou besoin des amis qui dans même niveau avec.
You need to have friends that are at the same level as you.
Qui challenge you.
Who challenge you.
Chaque temps, nous-mêmes, nous dans la même classe.
You and I are the same
class.
We encourage each other. You need someone behind you to give you experience. You need people on the side who will challenge you. Who will challenge you. When I go to preach for Pastor Castano, the first time I preach for Pastor Castano,